Hello, Techsplorer family. Welcome back to another exciting review on the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving deep into the Realme GT7, a powerhouse phone that brings together cutting-edge hardware, stunning design, and advanced software features. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, an impressive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, and a massive 6500 mAh battery, this phone is designed to impress. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Realme GT7 a game-changer. At the core of the Realme GT7 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's latest and greatest processor. This 4nm-based processor delivers lightning-fast speeds, making it perfect for everything from high-end gaming to seamless multitasking. Whether you're playing graphically intensive games like PUBG Mobile or editing videos on the go, this chip ensures top-tier performance with minimal lag. The Adreno 730 GPU paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers an exceptional graphics performance, offering smooth and fluid gameplay with high frame rates, even on the most demanding titles. The phone's performance is further enhanced by advanced thermal management, ensuring it stays cool during extended use. Next, let's talk about the visual experience. The Realme GT7 boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display that is nothing short of stunning. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a 2K resolution, this display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional clarity. Whether you're watching movies, browsing social media, or gaming, everything looks incredibly sharp and fluid. The LTPO technology allows for dynamic refresh rate adjustments, which means the display intelligently adjusts between 1 Hz to 120 Hz depending on the content. This leads to significant power savings without compromising on performance. When it comes to photography, the Realme GT7 does not disappoint. The 50MP triple camera setup is designed to provide professional-grade photo and video capabilities. 50MP primary sensor, capture incredible detail in all your shots, even in low-light conditions. 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for those landscape shots or group photos, with a 120-degree field of view. 2MP macro lens, get up close and personal with small objects, capturing intricate details that would otherwise go unnoticed. On the video front, the Realme GT7 supports 4K video recording, allowing you to capture every moment in stunning quality. The AI-powered camera modes like night mode, portrait mode, and super zoom further enhance the shooting experience, giving you plenty of creative options. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera that ensures crisp and clear self-portraits. AI enhancements like beauty mode and HDR support help you look your best, no matter the lighting. One of the standout features of the Realme GT7 is its 6500 mAh battery. With such a large capacity, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, video streaming, and browsing. If you're someone who's always on the go, this battery life will keep you powered throughout the day. In addition to the impressive battery, the 100W fast charging ensures you can get back to full power in no time. Realme claims that the GT7 can go from 0% to 100% in just around 30 minutes, which is perfect for those busy days when you need a quick charge. The Realme GT7 runs on Realme UI 6.0, which is built on Android 15. The latest iteration of Realme's UI brings a host of new features designed to enhance user experience. Realme UI 6.0 offers a clean and intuitive interface, with smooth animations, enhanced privacy controls, and greater customization options. Whether you're adjusting your home screen layout, changing themes, or adding widgets, the software is designed to be both easy to use and highly customizable. The AI enhancements built into Realme UI 6.0 also ensure that your phone runs efficiently, with intelligent app management and power-saving features to extend battery life. The Realme GT7 doesn't just perform well, it also looks great. The phone features a sleek and premium design, with a glass back that gives it a sophisticated, high-end feel. The curved edges and thin profile make the phone comfortable to hold, even during long gaming sessions. Available in dawn blue and shadow black, the Realme GT7's design is both modern and elegant, perfect for users who want a phone that makes a statement. The Realme GT7 is loaded with connectivity options, including 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. Whether you're using mobile data, connecting to your favorite wireless headphones, or making contactless payments, this phone has you covered. While Realme has yet to announce the exact price of the GT7, it's expected to be in the premium range, offering great value for all the high-end features packed into this device. Pre-orders are likely to start soon, with the phone being available in select markets first and expanding to other regions afterward. The Realme GT7 is a powerhouse that checks all the right boxes. Whether it's the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, or the 6500 mAh battery, this phone is designed to deliver exceptional performance across the board. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the Realme GT7. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what feature of the Realme GT7 excites you the most. Until next time, stay tech savvy.